All right, it's been a slow process. It's getting dark. The sun's already set, but it's not that dark yet. But it's definitely getting dark. So I just put the first screw into the roof gutter right here. And you can see how I put some flashing. I'm going to do one little piece right here yet, but probably not tonight. I left this whole area open. I didn't put screws in this area because I wasn't sure where the roof gutter would go exactly. So now that I got it in, now I can go ahead and put some more screws in, like here and there and along this edge here. And I should put some in the middle of that row too. This is already in. Now the shingles are crooked. So it's not my aluminum that's crooked, it's the shingles. The boards underneath match my aluminum. So, and I also put some longer screws in to hold down the shingles, because remember they can pull up pretty easy. So those are longer screws I had. I had pulled them out of some other place, kept them, and I had seen them the other day, so I knew where they were. So that was fortunate, because otherwise I would have had no idea where they were and I would have used something else. I tried to bend, this was a 90 degree here, but I bent it more to a 60 degree. In doing so, it was very different. I did it by hand. Got a few little dimples in here I might be able to take out gently. Maybe with, if I bring a rag up and some pliers, I can do that tomorrow. But this is getting ready for rain. I'm going to put some more screws in, and we still have our extended drip edge on the bottom, but listen, we're ready for rain, so let it rain tonight. It doesn't matter. I'm going to get some screws in and then call it a night.